Day Say Kids. Click here for more videos.
Describe the picture. Look at the picture for few seconds and then describe the picture. House construction. The picture given shows a house being built. Many people are involved in this work. A mason is laying the bricks. A carpenter is busy constructing a door. A laborer is holding a ladder on which an electrician is standing busy with electrical fittings. No house or flat can be completed without a plumber. So the plumber is called to install water pipes. But how can a house or flat look beautiful without a painter? The man who is well known as a great painter who is called for this work. He paints the whole house beautifully. Everyone appreciates his work. So building a house or flat is a team effort. Everyone needed in this job is equally important.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.